Hello girls, Miss Majo here. This is a little tutorial on how to work on Typetastic. The first thing that you're going to do is that you're going to open your browser. It can be Google Chrome or Safari. And you're going to go to Classroom. If you are using a phone or a tablet, you can open the Classroom app. On Classroom, you're going to go to the tab that is called Classwork. And there you will find your homework. Inside the homework instructions is the link so you can access to Typetastic. When you go to the main screen, you're going to click on the orange button that says Start Learning. You're going to click the one that says K2 Elementary and the red panda where it says Unit 1 My Keyboard Adventure. You're going to click on the first activity, Keyboard Builder 1. To work on the first lesson, you're going to click number 1 and you will see the instructions that will guide you through the lesson. You can click on the letters with your mouse, or you can use your keyboard to click on the correct letter. Then you can click on the arrows with your mouse, or you can use the keyboard arrows to put the letters in the correct place. When you finish, you're going to take a screenshot and you're going to upload that to Classroom. Remember, if you have any question or you need help, you can send me a message through Classroom or you can send me an email. See you in class. Goodbye.